Alright, welcome to this video. In this video lesson, we're going to be seeing how you can create a Facebook business page. So the first thing which you have to do is, obviously you'll have to have a Facebook profile. So I assume that 99.99% people who are watching this particular video has a Facebook profile. So if you fall into that 0.01, then you'll have to go to facebook.com, create a free Facebook account, and then once you are inside your Facebook account, you have to click on this gearbox in the top and click on create page, and it will ask you to create a business or brand or community or public figure. So I'm going to create everything for Digital Pratik Show. So let's suppose if I want to create that, so I would say business or brand, public figure, blah blah blah. What should I select? Business, connect and share with people in your community, organization, team, group, club, customers, blah blah blah, brand. So I would say business or brand. I'll click on get started. You can just review and do your own research by clicking on get started and seeing what all categories are there. So I would just mention over here Digital Pratik Show, and let's say the category, type a word or two to best describe your page, then choose a suggested category. So right over here I would say public figure, and I would, or rather I would try to write something around digital marketing. Let's see if we can get something. Nope, we cannot get anything over here. Let's say simply marketing. Do we have anything? Advertising and marketing, marketing agency, internet marketing service, blah blah blah. But this is more of an individual, so I would try to keep it something like public figure. This is just for categorization, and then hit continue. Next, it is asking me to add a profile picture. So let's say I'll add, you can obviously skip and do it later on, but I'll do it right now. So click on upload a profile picture. I would go to downloads and I'll just try to search one of them, which is this one. Click on open. And now I'll have to add a cover photo as well. So let's say click on add a cover photo. And let's say I'll try with this one. Let's click open, and there you go. All right, so it was that simple. Right now I have this Facebook cover. Obviously it is not fitting, there are blue color, but I'm totally fine. I can do that later on as well. So this is how you can have your Facebook page up and running. This is your business page or a Facebook page. All right, so this is something different than a Facebook profile. What you need is just understand one thing. To access Facebook, you have to create an account which is free. So that account is known as your Facebook profile. So for me, Pratik Singh Chudasama, the one which you are looking at right now, this one is my Facebook profile. I cannot do my business stuff over here. I cannot run my advertisement through this profile. What I need is a Facebook page, which is also known as Facebook business page or business page. So for that, what you do is the process which we just did. We use our Facebook profile to create pages, right? And you can create multiple pages. You can create n number of Facebook pages, no restrictions, right? And then what you have to do is, let's suppose I just created that page, so I'll click on see more. So all these pages are there for me. I would just search for Digital Pratik Show. I'll tap on that, and here is my page. So this is the page where I would do all my activities with respect to Digital Pratik Show. And as you can see right over here on the top, this is the address URL. All right, let me just erase this much. So this is my Facebook page URL, which is what? Which is facebook.com/Digital Pratik Show, and there are hyphens, there are random numbers. So how do you change this? You can change this by going into your about page, where it is. It has changed a little bit. Let's click on see more, click on about, and right over here it says username, create page username. So let me tap and let's see if it allows me to change the username or not. So click on that. And it says it's easier for people to find your page in search when it has unique username. So let's try for Digital Pratik Show, and it is available. All right, it is available. And click on create username, and there you go. It says this page isn't eligible to have a username. Why? Because as to my knowledge, you require at least 25 page likes. Once you have 25 page likes on your page, you would be able to change your username. So for the time being, I won't be able to change the username. Once I do that, I would have Digital Pratik Show, and then I would have this URL like this one. All right, facebook.com/Digital Pratik Show. So for my own page, which is Digital Pratik, right now I have something like this, facebook.com/Digital Pratik. So that's what you have to create your unique user ID around everything. All right. So this is my actual page. This is my Facebook page. So that's how you create your Facebook profile, Facebook page. One more thing which I would like to do is, let me just go back to my Facebook page, which we just created, Digital Pratik Show, and you can actually start inviting your friends over here. All right, you can start inviting your friends over here so that you can at least get initial 25 likes, and you can change your username. But I'm not going to do that because I don't require that much right now. I have my own ways. I'll figure it out. I'll do some advertisement or targeted audience and things like that. Let's see what else can we see. Reviews, follow, like, add a button. So try to add a button over here. So I would just quickly add contact you, and I would say send message, and I would say next. All right, and on top of that, I would just tap on this to confirm, click on finish, and I have a call to action button. So you can just test around things over here, tap on all these buttons, try to upload. It is more similar to like using your Facebook profile itself. All right, so that's how you create your Facebook page, and this is something which we would use later on as we move along in our journey.